Hi, I'm Hannah and I'm a special effects technician, which means I get to help build some of the cool things you see in movies and on TV. And my idea for the month of making is this rubber band powered catapult. And I'm going to show you how to make your own. All you'll need is some lolly sticks, some glue, some string, a plastic spoon, or if you don't have a plastic spoon, the plastic cap of a drinks bottle and another lolly stick, and some kitchen foil. So let's get started. To start with, we are going to take our lolly sticks and our glue, and we are going to make some triangles. So, start with one lolly stick, dab on a blob of glue, then add a second lolly stick like this. Then we're going to use a couple more dabs of glue to add a third lolly stick and complete our triangle like this. You'll need 2 of these triangles, and it might take some time for the glue to dry, so you might need to leave them overnight. I'm impatient, so I've already made a couple of triangles ahead of time. Here are the ones I made earlier. So we can move on to step 2. For step 2, you'll need a piece of string. First, tie it to one of the corners of one of your triangles. Like this. The next part is a little bit tricky. We want to use this string to secure a lolly stick in the corner of this triangle. Eventually, we're also going to secure that lolly stick to the corner of the other triangle, and it's going to form part of the base of our catapult. But to begin with, we're going to wrap this string around the lolly stick and the corner in lots of different directions so that it gets attached really securely. Like this. And if you have some string left over, you can make it really nice and neat by tying a little knot when you're finished. That should do. So now we'll do the same on the other side with another piece of string. And once we've done that, we'll add another lolly stick in the other 2 corners. After you finish doing that, you should end up with something that looks like this. Once you have something that looks a bit like this, with your 2 triangles joined at each corner by a lolly stick and a lot of string, your catapult is very nearly finished. Next, take your rubber band. Mine's a little bit long, so I'm going to twist it, loop it back on itself to make it a bit shorter. Then, I'm going to pass it under the top bar of my catapult, and I'm going to feed one end through the other so that it gets secured to the top, like this. Then, I take my plastic spoon, I'm going to thread it through that rubber band, and I'm going to tuck the end under one of the bottom lolly sticks, and there you go, a catapult. But your catapult still needs something to fire, and that's where the kitchen foil comes in. So take a piece of kitchen foil, scrumple it up into a ball, And now you've got something to fire. Oh, wow, that was great. You can even experiment with different sized balls of kitchen foil and see which one goes the furthest. Oh, wow, that one went a really long way. Happy making!